Hi, Professor. Uh, Regarding this assignment, I made another 4 pages, which is one for project, one for service, and one for contact, and one for about. So I just follow the videos under the course shell, and as you can see, this is my route folder. And as you can see, they for each page we render each page to the corresponding page. For example, about page, I render it to about page, and project to project, and service to service, and contact to contact. So for functionality of each page, I use the exactly the same as the videos in the course shell. Get bootstrap to make contact form. As you can see, this is the code in the bootstrap for contact form. So for style, I a little use the style for each page. For example, about page, I use the style embedded style inside that. I didn't use external link or external style for that. So for partials, as you can see, partials for partials, we had footer EJS, header EJS, main nav EJS, bottom nav EJS. So we used all of those in each page, so we could include them in partially in each page. So that's why it's kind of very useful. So in the reality, it's like this. As you can see, this is home page, this is about page, and this is project page. Also, here is the service page and contact page. As you can see, when I click to the submit button, it should redirect me to the home page. This is my assignment, site portfolio, and thank you.